Guys, it's me, Risa. How are you? I just came back from my walk. I'm almost at 9,000 steps and I'm starving. So I wanted to share one of my ridiculously easy lunch options, brunch options, snack options, even for a dinner is my Reese's peanut butter and banana toast. I know you guys know about it, I'm sure, but for me, this is a real treat. I don't have it all the time, but even if you wanted to have it, it's high protein, delicious, nutritious. So I'm going to tell you what I do, my ingredients, how I make it, and options that you can use, okay? So first of all, really easy. Your bread, okay? Now, I love Betty bread. I get it at the low-carb grocery store. No, I don't work for them, but I love this bread. It's 1 smart point each for those of you on WW. Another option you can use is whatever tortilla. These were in my fridge, so I just want to show you. They're the Mama Lupas I've been talking about. I'll just show you the package. Mama Lupas, okay? I hope you can see it, Mama Lupas. And it's really, really yummy. And the thing that I like to do is I like to toast it, okay? The other thing I have for, of course, for the peanut butter part is peanut butter. I bought my daughter the crunchy. I love the smooth. And another option, if you want a lower point option, the other thing I do sometimes is have PB2, and 2 tablespoons is 1 smart point. You add a little bit of water at a time to get it to the thickness you want. So that's an option, all right? But like I said, when I'm having my little splurge, I like the real thing, the real deal. Listen, I love PB2 in a lot of things, and again, I have that as well. So with the Betty bread, the other thing I like to do, and if you've seen my other videos, I like to toast things. When you toast it, it gets crispy. The peanut butter will melt because it's warm, which I love. And it takes longer to eat. So instead of having a sandwich, I have it open faced. Another tip, so it takes longer to eat. And maybe you'll eat one and feel full and you won't want to have 2. You know, stop when you're full, people, okay? I know it's hard. You think, oh, but I didn't eat much, da-da-da-da. But you know what? If you're full, stop, have some water, and if you're still hungry, have the other slice. I usually eat both. The other thing you're going to want is a banana. I like it a little bit ripe. Some people like it a little green. It doesn't matter. My recipes are versatile. It's not really a recipe that I made up. You guys probably know about it. And I usually have like a medium size, and I like to cut it up to make it look a little fancy. You can see also that I have some fruit. I'll just show you. I always like to cut it like on a slant. I think it just looks prettier. And you know we eat with our eyes, right? And then I take a tablespoon or so of peanut butter. Now, another option for the Reese's peanut butter is, of course, a little bit of chocolate, right? So if you want to splurge a bit, I have these Sensado chocolate chips. So for a tablespoon, 1 smart point, okay? For a teaspoon, 0. It depends how you want to be. If you're a little bit, you know, not so worried. If you just sprinkle a few on, you can do that. That's an option for your chocolate part. Or I love the Smuckers. Okay, so for 1 tablespoon, 1 smart point. For 2 tablespoons, 3 smart points. So it depends how many points you want to use if you're on WW. If you're not on WW, it doesn't matter. But you know, depending on what brand you use, it doesn't matter, of course. Check the nutritional facts, okay? Because everybody's is different, all right? And whatever brand you're using. So that's an option. So peanut butter, banana, chocolate, toast, tortilla. You can use crackers or Melba toast I love. You can use rice cakes. Honestly, it doesn't matter. You can be versatile with this recipe. And like I said, it's ridiculously easy. So I just take a knife and I take my peanut butter, which I've scooped out, spread it on. I know you probably think this is just like the craziest, ridiculously easy idea, but for some people, honestly, you know, they need some ideas, and I love this. Again, you can have it for breakfast, brunch, a snack, after a workout, okay? A yummy little dessert, why not? And I just add my bananas on top to make it look delicious. And you can either sprinkle, like I said, you know, just a couple of chocolate chips. And the other thing you can do, my friends, is put it back in the toaster oven so the chocolate melts. I know. You didn't think of that one, right? So you could do that. You could cut it into a few slices. All right. You can slice this. You can slice your tortilla so you have strips. That's another idea. Or you can just take a little bit or do both. Why not? I don't care. You could add just a drizzle of some sauce, okay, of some syrup. I call it sauce. And there you have it. Delicious, yummy, nutritious, high protein, okay? So for 1 tablespoon, it's sort of high protein. It depends on your nutritional information, 3 grams. So if you have 2 tablespoons, it's 6 grams of protein. And of course, you know, your fruit, and I like to have a little bit extra fruit, you know, because that goes nicely with it. So you have your carb, your protein, your fruit, and it's amazing, right? So I hope you love this crazy, easy, delicious recipe. Risa's peanut butter delight. I don't know. I'll think of a name. You know me. And I didn't drop anything. Are you impressed? Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, all right? Like, comment, share, tell people, okay? Because sharing is caring, you know that. Check out for more inspiration, motivation, my group, my Facebook group, Weight Watcher Tips and Recipes by Risa, okay? For lots. And of course, Risa's Piece 8 Instagram, my website, www.risaweiner.com. Hoping to do a cookbook online. You know, I have a few things up my sleeve, people. And that's pretty much it. If you ring the bell, you'll get all my new recipes by email. My new ones, not my old ones. You have to search them up, all right? And all my recipes are written under each video. So there's a little tiny arrow. Just press it and you'll see it all written out. I spend lots of time doing that for you guys to help you. You can do a screenshot. Okay, so then you have it all written out as well. All right. So take care. Love you guys. Enjoy your deliciousness. This is super delicious. And usually I take a bite, but when I take a bite, it's really hard to talk afterwards and I feel like I'm going to choke. So you can try it yourself and taste it. Here it is. Look at that. Super yummy, super easy, quick, especially when you're hungry. You want to make sure that you don't just grab anything, okay? Because we tend to do that. You know, I'm quite aware of that as well. So, you know, plan it out. This is what I have usually after my weigh-ins on the weekends. I've been doing that for years because for me, it's a treat, not a cheat, a treat to have real peanut butter. For some of you, it's hard to have peanut butter in the house, I understand, but as a treat, you deserve it. We're working hard. You can't deny yourself everything, all right? Because everything in moderation, okay? So take care. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye for now.